Kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party kebasyun thlong sing thlong lu ia kaseng Congress kala Pynpaw ia ke Jingbym Sngewtynnad bat ke Jingbym Yahab ia ke Sinjam ke Balashim do National President jong National People's Party bat Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad Kongkol Sangma ubala Pdiang ia ki MLA jong kaseng Congress ba kini don lang ha ke Sarkar Sendrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Kani ke Jingbym Sngewtynnad jong ke BJP kala pa na ke Jingnthok Persat jong Presiden jong ke BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Mauri bat UMLA ke BJP na penthor kra uba AL Hek. Uba AL Hek uloong ba kani ke Jingle jong Menteri Rangba ke Jela kadai ke Bam Sngewtynnad Satya namar ba Shim lai selok bat kinong yalam jong ki sengsan pertai ki bedon lang ha ke Sarkar MDA haswa ban Pdiang ya ke seng Congress ha ke Sarkar Sendrop lang. Uloong ba kani ke Jingle ke Pynpaw ba kamdon kanu ke Jingburam markel yang ikinong yalam ki bedan hapo ke Sarkar MDA. Hakabede ba ke Jingpa City Presiden ke BJP uba Ernest Mauri syakinong yalam ke BJP hadali ban pentip ba ke Sarkar MDA kala kentup lang ya ke seng Congress ha ke kenhun ke ba ke BJP ke don lang nakaliang uba hek uloong ba kum udukhat ke BJP. Ko ngu bet ia ke jing betha ke jong kinong yalam ke BJP la ka dei bakin dang don ha ke Sarkar MDA ni wat ban mi no na ke Sarkar Sendrop lang. Uloong ba la da jaba ke BJP ka hak ban mi no na ke Sarkar MDA kani kan kta ni bu ia ke jing ya u ni ya ba san bo sulai. Namar kinya syakmat ban syakri upat ba ka constituency kumba ki jule beras kata. Ha ke jokopor uba hek ula Pynpaw bakum ubri simet dan Satya kanu ke Jingbym ni ke Jingbym Sngewtynnad bani treilang bat ka Kongres hapo ka kenhun MDA.
Kepeningkong kala pensai kedar daga jingwan jang Kongres bani treilang bat ka MDA government bagatu ka untouchability mut ka tu ka ba ong bamede mlong su bani trei baga BJP kala kut undan su untouchability. Te benta kala sai kedar ba kamnan su nuru ka ba thut Lani kadang lu ke Jingbym menyetri lang bat ka kebaidon lang baga MDA kebaidon lang baga parti BJP.
Merokoi kia yang kata slogan yang Kongres move Bharat penduduk jano yang Kongres kani ka
India. Kata ka slogan jong BJP boong Kongres move Bharat kelas dang na ka state Meghalaya banta ha ka ba baro ki MLA Kongres belajit do paiba kilami no Kongres don gibla le cepo ka AITMC don gibla le ban mentai lawan men penyesno no bat ka MDA Sarkar haga baga BJP kala don benyetrelang ngite ngin berjung thut eru namar ngite kiwan hibaki benyetrelang tingi nyetrelang bai ke jing Pdiang ya ke Kongres apo ka MDA government ngi sngo ba ngi la susha ibeng imdan ber yo jing tip eru ngamsim la yu I tang weru u representative ubandon napo ka UDP ke bodai ka main coalition partner ne naga PDF ne naga HSPDP ne naga BJP ki weru representative na gitu ki political party amsim la don hapor ba Pdiang de Kongres kemut ba ka Jingburam markliang ki para coalition partner ha ka MDA government come down.
When this incident take place, we are not informed as the coalition partner in this MDA government. We have seen in the across, after they given the support to the government, we have seen through the social media and newspaper. So today we have taken a decision. We will write one letter to the Chief Minister asking about this clarification regarding with the joining. So today only we have decided, and by Monday we are sending the official letter.
Because we are a partner and we should also have every right to know what is going on in the government. So that is why we have to be right, and after that what kind of reply will come we do not know. But in politics here everything is possible. You see today in Manipur our NPP party is camping against BJP. So here BJP is also one of the coalition partners. So sometimes state-wise some strategy was made. That is why today Congress comes supporting us. As a Congress supporting us means that is their weaknesses, and we are also inviting them, there is no harm that Congress cannot support us, because they are they are reducing to the zero, ground zero. So that is why they are supposed to be survived. So that is why they can take any party ticket when elections come. But today, I'm told that today they have a suspended, the party has suspended them. So it became a kind of process will be there, Congress own constitutional process will be there. Suspense after that, expelled from the party. So they became neutral, or that their own system will go. Assembly has own system, it will follow. So that will be their part. So our parties only, we are little bit sad because Chief Minister has not informed us.